You know it's great for you. Waking up early, doing pranayam, practicing yoga. But what to do? It just doesn't happen. But this time it will happen because we are with you.
Come, join us for a 21-day yoga challenge. What is a yoga challenge? We will meet on Zoom and practice yoga every single day for 21 days in a row.
Whether you are a beginner or have been practicing yoga for a very long time, in just 21 days, you will learn how to perfect all of these asanas from the comfort of your home.
And you know what? Thousands of people from around the world will be taking this challenge with you. And whenever we do anything together, it becomes much easier.
In only 21 days, you will see that you will move towards your optimal weight. Your skin will begin to glow and your energy will be through the roof.
You will realize that real yoga doesn't happen when you're on the mat, but when you actually get off your mat, because you'll see that you'll be able to do all your work with a new sense of energy, with a big smile on your face, and you'll be able to handle every difficult situation gracefully with ease and joy. How? Just by practicing yoga for 1 hour every morning.
In this yoga challenge, our teachers will also be here to review your asanas and give you detailed feedback so that you can improve every single day. Not only this, you'll also gain deep knowledge about the yogic philosophy, and we'll have a quiz every week, and all our quiz winners will receive exciting prizes delivered straight to their doorstep.
So even if you find this a little bit exciting, then think no further. Click here to register and we will meet you on your mat.